Here we have a 1990 Chevy C1500. Trying to bolt the instrument cluster back in, put the vents in there, put the surround that's on here in. Won't install the radio or the heater control today, but this just showing you where the bolt holes are. I already started on some. Right here you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. Just bolts this in, holds in your instrument cluster. Then we'll go ahead and bolt down the rest of this here and put that surround on there. Okay, I got a few more bolts. As I said, we already got the 4 bolts in to hold the instrument cluster in, but in here you got 2 you got to put in to hold this dash on. This one over here you got to put in, and on this side you can put that one in. 2 down in there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 up here, and then we could go ahead and bolt on the surround that comes on here. But first we have to put in this vent right here. It just slips in, bolts here, and bolts up here. We got the, just to show you, we got this vent in here where your heat will come at your air conditioning. It's just the 2 screws here. I just wanted to show you it's not cleaned up or not, because I'm gonna have to take this whole assembly back out when I get the new heater control and the new radio that's coming. Well, new used. But now we got to put the surround on it, and in that the headlight switch and everything is bolted too, so we'll have to plug these in. Into the back is pretty simple. It only fits in the one way. Easy to pop them right back in. And then we'll bolt it down. Put the surround on. I decided to bolt the whole radio back in. 1 bolt hole right there. 2 right there along the side. Just bolted it in now, just so it's out of the way and it doesn't look so bad with a big hole there. I don't know if I'm gonna bolt the heater controller in or not. All right, let's see if we get this finished up. Okay, we got these plugged in. This one slips on with a clip in the back. This one, you push this down as you slip this over, then let go, and it holds it in place. Another thing, you have to put your key in the ignition, turn it, pull that gear shifter all the way down to low to get this to fit in there. So I don't have tilt steering, so that's the way you got to do it. All right, let's get it bolted up. You about got it done here. Got to put 1 bolt hole here, 1 screw here, 1 screw down here. This in the surround here. Over on this side, you got 1 by the light switch, and then 1 up here. Which I got to get a couple more. But that's how you bolt the instrument cluster back in, and the surround and the radio. I left the heater controls out till the new one comes in. I'll put it in. The radio is pretty simple to put in. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, click subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates on this truck that I'm putting together and all my other old vintage vehicles. Thanks for watching.